In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code at Udemy checkout on desktop. If you've found a promo code and want to make sure you actually get the discount, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to enter it and what to look for before you pay. We're doing everything on a desktop browser, so open your preferred browser and head to the Udemy website. First, sign in to your Udemy account. Being signed in ensures the discount applies to the right account and that your course enrollments are saved. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're using the one you want to keep your courses in. Next, find the course or courses you want to buy. From the course page, click Add to Cart. You can also add courses directly from the search results if that's where you discover them. Take a moment to review your selections. Adding everything you want now helps you see how the coupon affects the total. When you're ready, click the cart icon at the top right of the page. Choose Go to Cart or Proceed to Checkout. Both options will lead you to the page where you can apply your coupon. On the cart or checkout page, look for a field labeled Enter Coupon Code, Promo Code, or Apply Coupon. Sometimes this area can be tucked under a small link, so scan the page carefully. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit. It's usually near the order summary. Now paste or type your coupon into that field. It's a good idea to copy the code directly from its source to avoid typos, and make sure there aren't any extra spaces at the beginning or end. Codes can have specific rules and expiration dates, so use the exact format provided. Click Apply. Give the page a moment to update. If the code is valid, you'll see the discount reflected in the price before you complete your purchase. Look for a confirmation message and a reduced subtotal. If the code doesn't work, you'll typically see an error message indicating it's invalid, expired, or not applicable to certain courses. In that case, verify the code's terms or try another one. Finally, continue to the payment step to finish checkout and enroll at the discounted price. Review the order total one more time to confirm the coupon is still active, then select your payment method and complete the purchase. Once payment goes through, you'll be enrolled and ready to start learning, all while having saved with your coupon.